Hi everyone, Catherine here with Wecom Fiber. Welcome to Wecom Fiber's Digital Equity and Inclusion Initiative. Today, we will be going over a comprehensive guide on using email effectively. In this video, we'll cover setting up an email account, managing your inbox, and understanding email etiquette. First, let's set up your email account. Choose a reliable email provider like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. For this example, we'll use Gmail. Go to gmail.com and click Create Account. Select For Myself from the drop-down menu. Fill in your first and last name, date of birth, choose a username, and create a strong password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. An option to add a recovery email will be prompted, which you can enter if applicable. If not, you can go ahead and click Skip. Afterwards, you can review your account info and move forward by clicking Next. Review and accept the privacy terms to continue to the next steps by selecting I agree at the bottom of the page. A Confirm Personalization prompt will pop up and have the option to further personalize your experience. You can go ahead and select more options if needed. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to select Confirm. Congratulations! Your new email has been created. Let's move on to managing your inbox. A well-organized inbox can save you time and reduce stress. Use folders or labels to categorize your emails. In Gmail, click on Labels on the left sidebar and create new labels for different categories like work, personal, or important. You can also use filters to automatically sort incoming emails. Click on the gear icon, select See All Settings, and go to the Filters and Blocked Address tab. Create a new filter based on criteria like sender or subject, and choose an action like applying a label or archiving. Finally, let's discuss email etiquette. Good email etiquette ensures your messages are clear and professional. Always use a clear and concise subject line that summarizes the email's content. Start with a polite greeting such as Dear or Hello. Keep your message brief and to the point. Use paragraphs to separate different points and avoid using all caps, which can be perceived as shouting. End with a courteous closing like best regards or sincerely, followed by your name. If applicable, include a professional signature with your contact information. To save time in future emails, you can also create a custom email signature that will always autofill in any emails you create or reply to. To do this, click on the gear icon on the top of the right corner of your screen and click See All Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the area labeled Signature and go ahead and select Create New. Give your signature a name and click Create. You can then proceed by typing out your desired email signature with any information you'd like to share going forward. For this tutorial, we're going to fill it out accordingly. Other items you may want to share if you have a business would be a phone number, an address, a website, or perhaps links to your social media accounts. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a brand new email account with all the bells and whistles. You're now ready to send any email you'd like and take part in a more equitable future. That's a wrap for this episode. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to stay connected with Wecom Fiber.